What if you woke up tomorrow and Bitcoin was gone? No trace, no price, no coins, just poof, deleted from the internet. Imagine checking your phone. Bitcoin, 0.00. Crypto exchanges frozen. News headlines screaming, Bitcoin vanishes overnight. Millions of people in shock, some crying, some celebrating. But here's the real question. Would the world actually fall apart? Or would life just go on? Let's find out what would really happen if Bitcoin disappeared tomorrow. First, chaos. Social media explodes. Memes everywhere. RIP Bitcoin 2009 to 2025. Some people panic sell everything else they own. Others claim they always knew it was a scam. Classic internet meltdown. But beyond the memes, let's break it down. Who would this really hurt? Who would it barely affect? Step 1. Millions of investors lose their money. Over $1 trillion in total value. Gone. That's like if the entire economy of a country just evaporated overnight. Companies that stored Bitcoin on their balance sheets, crushed. Crypto exchanges, frozen. Miners, out of business instantly. It would feel like an earthquake in the digital economy. But here's where it gets interesting. Would grocery stores stop selling food? Would banks stop working? Would your credit card still function? Yes, yes, and yes. Because here's the truth. Bitcoin is big, but it's not the foundation of the world's money system. Not yet. It's more like a wild experiment running alongside the main system. So if it vanished, most people would wake up, go to work, grab coffee, and maybe just scroll one less thing on Twitter. But what if what really disappeared wasn't just Bitcoin, but the idea behind it? That's where things get dark. Because Bitcoin isn't just digital money. It's a symbol, a freedom from governments, from banks, from control. It's the what if that keeps traditional finance a little nervous. If that symbol vanished, the dream of decentralized money would take a big hit. People might lose hope in the idea that money could ever be truly free. Think of Bitcoin like a seed. It's small, weird, and fragile at first. But over time, it inspired a whole forest. Blockchains, NFTs, DeFi, new forms of digital ownership. Even if you chop down the original tree, Bitcoin, the forest would still exist. The roots of the idea are too deep now. So if Bitcoin vanished, the concept of digital money would live on. Let's be real. Some people would lose everything, especially those who invested all their savings into it. Businesses built around Bitcoin mining or trading would collapse. The short term? Ugly. But the long term? Humanity moves on. Just like after the dot-com bubble, or after any major tech crash. People adapt, learn, rebuild. Maybe new forms of digital money rise to replace it. Maybe a Bitcoin 2.0 appears. Safer, smarter, stronger. Because when an idea is powerful enough, it never truly dies. Let's not kid ourselves. Some governments might secretly pop champagne. Bitcoin disappearing would mean less competition for national currencies, easier control of money flows, and less pressure from freedom money believers. But at the same time, they'd lose something too. Bitcoin is what pushed them to innovate, to explore digital currencies, blockchain security, and transparency. So ironically, even the ones who hated it needed it. Remember when the internet first came out? People said it was a fad. Then came the dot-com bubble. Thousands of websites and companies died. But out of that chaos came Amazon, Google, and the modern web. If Bitcoin vanished, history might repeat itself. The chaos would plant seeds for something even bigger. Maybe a global currency not owned by anyone. Maybe money that's even more private, secure, or fair. Let's zoom out. What gives money its power isn't metal or paper. It's belief. If everyone believes something has value, it does. If everyone stops believing, it doesn't. That's true for the dollar, for gold, for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin disappeared, what we'd really lose is trust. Trust that digital money can be outside control. Trust that something purely digital can hold value. But here's the twist. Once a belief is born, it's hard to kill. People who understood why Bitcoin existed would build again, maybe even stronger this time. Picture this. Bitcoin burns into ashes like a digital phoenix. Everyone thinks it's gone forever. Then, slowly, new sparks appear. New projects, new coins, new ideas. The phoenix rises again. Because you can delete code, but not curiosity. You can shut down a system, but not a dream. Maybe the real power of Bitcoin was never the price. Maybe it was the lesson. That ordinary people could create something powerful enough to challenge the biggest financial system in the world. That money could exist without permission. That value could move across the world in seconds, without a bank in the middle. Bitcoin showed what's possible. And once humanity sees a new possibility, it never unsees it. So if Bitcoin disappeared tomorrow, the world wouldn't end. But it would lose a spark, a symbol of rebellion, of innovation, of possibility. And maybe, just maybe, that spark would reappear in something new. Because ideas, like energy, don't vanish. They just transform.